Understanding the phrase, use a tampon, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, use a tampon. This topic is both practical and important in daily life, especially when discussing health and personal care. Let's dive into understanding what this phrase means, how it's used, and the context in which it appears. Use a tampon is a phrase that refers to the action of using a tampon, which is a feminine hygiene product. Tampons are small, cylindrical items made from cotton or a blend of cotton and rayon, which are inserted into the vagina during menstruation to absorb menstrual blood. This phrase is often used in contexts related to personal hygiene, health care, and discussions about menstruation. The phrase is typically used in conversations related to personal hygiene or health. It can be found in instructions on tampon packaging, during discussions between healthcare professionals and patients, or in casual conversations about menstrual care. It's important to use this phrase sensitively and respectfully, given the personal nature of the topic. While use a tampon is a straightforward instruction, it's essential to understand the cultural sensitivities surrounding discussions of menstruation. In some cultures, this topic is considered private or taboo. As an English learner, being aware of these cultural nuances is crucial when engaging in conversations related to personal health and hygiene. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, use a tampon. Remember, understanding such phrases is not just about the language, but also about the cultural and contextual nuances that come with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning session.